Imagine earning a passive income stream while you sleep, waking up to find that your bank balance has grown overnight. Picture money flowing into your account simply because people are visiting your website or blog, engaging with your content, and clicking on ads. This dream can become a reality with Google AdSense, a powerful platform that allows you to monetize your online content effortlessly. In 2024, the potential for earning with AdSense remains vast, offering a lucrative opportunity for anyone willing to put in the effort and dedication. Whether you're a seasoned blogger, a budding entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to supplement their income, AdSense can be your key to unlocking financial freedom and stability. This masterclass will equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to succeed, providing you with the tools to navigate the complexities of online monetization. The online landscape is constantly evolving, but the power of content remains undeniable. High-quality content is the cornerstone of any successful AdSense strategy. With AdSense, you can transform your passion for writing, creating videos, or sharing information into a profitable venture that generates consistent revenue. By mastering the art of traffic keywords, you can attract a steady stream of visitors to your platform and maximize your AdSense earnings, ensuring a sustainable income. This guide will delve into the intricacies of keyword research, content creation, and SEO optimization, providing you with a comprehensive roadmap to AdSense success and beyond. Get ready to embark on a journey that will empower you to take control of your financial future, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions. This essay will provide you with practical tips and real-world examples to help you navigate the world of AdSense, making the learning process engaging and effective. We'll explore the common challenges faced by creators and provide actionable solutions to overcome them, ensuring you stay motivated and on track. From understanding the fundamentals of AdSense to mastering advanced keyword research techniques, this guide will be your companion every step of the way, offering support and insights. So, if you're ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine, let's dive in and unlock the incredible potential of Google AdSense together. In the following sections, we will explore the core principles of AdSense success, focusing on traffic keywords and effective SEO strategies that drive results. We'll discuss the importance of creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and how to optimize your website for maximum visibility and engagement. By the end of this masterclass, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage AdSense to achieve your financial goals and create a sustainable income stream. Get ready to transform your online passion into a profitable reality, taking the first step towards financial independence and success. Google AdSense is a powerful advertising platform that allows website owners and content creators to display targeted ads on their platforms. It has revolutionized the way online content is monetized, providing a seamless and efficient method for generating revenue. When visitors click on these ads, you earn revenue. This pay-per-click model ensures that your earnings are directly tied to the engagement of your audience with the ads displayed. It's a simple yet effective way to monetize your online presence. Whether you are a blogger, a website owner, or a YouTube content creator, AdSense offers a straightforward path to earning money from your content. In 2024, AdSense remains a relevant and lucrative avenue for generating income online, especially with the continued growth of digital content consumption. The increasing number of internet users and the rise in online activities have only amplified the potential of AdSense. This section will delve into the mechanics of AdSense and its significance in the current digital landscape. Understanding how AdSense operates can help you leverage its full potential and maximize your earnings. AdSense works by matching relevant ads to your website's content. This relevance is key to ensuring that the ads resonate with your audience, making them more likely to engage with the ads. Google's sophisticated algorithms analyze your content and display ads that are likely to interest your audience. These algorithms are constantly evolving, becoming more accurate and effective in targeting the right ads to the right users. This targeted approach ensures higher click-through rates and, consequently, increased earnings for you. The more relevant the ads, the more likely your audience is to click on them, boosting your revenue. The beauty of AdSense lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Once you've set up your account and placed the ad code on your website, the system automatically handles the ad display and revenue generation process. This automation allows you to focus on creating quality content while AdSense takes care of the monetization. The relevance of AdSense in 2024 cannot be overstated. As digital content continues to dominate, the opportunities for monetization through AdSense grow exponentially. As more and more people turn to the internet for information, entertainment, and shopping, the demand for online advertising continues to grow. This trend is expected to continue, making AdSense an even more valuable tool for content creators. This presents a golden opportunity for content creators to capitalize on this trend and monetize their online presence. By integrating AdSense into your platform, you can tap into a steady stream of income. Whether you have a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel, AdSense provides a seamless way to integrate advertising into your platform. The versatility of AdSense makes it suitable for various types of content and audiences. AdSense is not just about displaying ads, it's about building a sustainable online business. By strategically placing ads and optimizing your content, you can create a reliable source of income. By understanding how AdSense works and implementing effective strategies, you can create a consistent revenue stream that supports your online endeavors. Knowledge and strategy are key to maximizing your AdSense earnings. In the following sections, we will explore the key strategies for maximizing your AdSense earnings, focusing on the crucial role of traffic keywords. Keywords play a significant role in attracting the right audience and increasing your ad revenue. Get ready to unlock the full potential of AdSense and transform your online platform into a profitable venture. With the right approach, AdSense can be a game changer for your online business. While the potential for earning with AdSense is immense, many creators encounter challenges along the way. One of the most common hurdles is attracting sufficient traffic to their websites. Without a steady stream of visitors, the chances of generating significant ad clicks are slim. Another frequent issue is improper keyword targeting. Choosing the wrong keywords can lead to irrelevant ads being displayed, resulting in low click-through rates and diminished earnings. Many creators also struggle with creating high-quality content that resonates with their target audience. Content that is thin, poorly written, or lacks value is unlikely to attract and retain visitors. This can negatively impact both traffic and AdSense revenue. Furthermore, some creators fall into the trap of focusing solely on quantity over quality. While producing a large volume of content may seem appealing, it's crucial to prioritize quality to ensure engagement and attract the right audience. Another common mistake is neglecting SEO optimization. Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a vital role in driving organic traffic to your website. Without proper SEO practices, your content may struggle to rank well in search engine results, limiting its visibility to potential visitors. Additionally, some creators underestimate the importance of promoting their content. Simply publishing content is not enough. You need to actively promote it to reach a wider audience. Finally, a lack of patience and persistence can hinder AdSense success. Building a profitable online presence takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Stay committed to your strategy, continuously learn and adapt, and you'll eventually reap the rewards of your hard work. In the following sections, we'll explore solutions to these common challenges and equip you with the tools and strategies you need to overcome them. Keyword research is the cornerstone of any successful AdSense strategy. It is the bedrock upon which your entire approach is built. It involves identifying the terms and phrases people use when searching for information online. These keywords are the bridge between your content and your audience. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract relevant traffic to your website, increasing the likelihood of ad clicks and boosting your AdSense earnings. This targeted traffic is more likely to engage with your ads, leading to higher click-through rates. This section will delve into the importance of keyword research and how to conduct it effectively. We will explore the tools and techniques that can help you uncover the best keywords for your niche. The first step in keyword research is understanding your target audience. Knowing who you are trying to reach is crucial for selecting the right keywords. Who are you trying to reach with your content? What are their demographics, interests, and online behaviors? What are their interests, needs, and pain points? Understanding these aspects will help you tailor your keyword strategy to meet their specific needs. By understanding your audience, you can identify the keywords they are most likely to use when searching for information related to your niche. This insight is invaluable for creating content that resonates with them. This targeted approach is crucial for attracting the right kind of traffic to your website. The more relevant the traffic, the higher the chances of ad engagement and revenue generation. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can start brainstorming potential keywords. Think broadly and consider various angles and perspectives. Think about the topics you cover on your website and the different ways people might search for information related to those topics. Consider synonyms, related terms, and even questions they might ask. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs to discover relevant keywords and analyze their search volume and competition. These tools offer a wealth of data to guide your strategy. These tools can provide valuable insights into which keywords are most likely to drive traffic to your website. They can help you identify high-potential keywords that you might not have considered otherwise. Choosing the right keywords is essential for attracting relevant traffic and maximizing your AdSense earnings. It's not just about volume, it's about relevance and intent. Focus on keywords that are relevant to your content, have a decent search volume, and are not overly competitive. Striking the right balance is key to a successful strategy. Long-tail keywords, which are longer and more specific phrases, can be particularly effective in targeting niche audiences. They often have lower competition and higher conversion rates. In the next section, we will explore the benefits of long-tail keywords and how to incorporate them into your AdSense strategy. These keywords can be a game changer for your traffic and earnings. Stay tuned for valuable insights that will help you unlock the full potential of keyword research. With the right approach, you can significantly enhance your AdSense performance and achieve your goals.